Yeah, that's what I just saw.
Did you really?
Yeah. Right here. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Evan. Last cast. We back with another video. Same famous spot. You already know. Today we're going with 2 pinch weights. About 4 inches down, we got a shad dart. And then about probably like 11, 12 inches down, we got a little casting spoon. Everybody's catching them back to back.
I'll show you.
I'm about to get my line out there and see what I can do. This water is so cold, y'all. Definitely in the 40s. A lot of people was asking where do these herring come from and where these American hickory shad come from. They all come from the ocean, but it's the season for right now, so they're all coming down to the streams. So for about another month or so, we're probably able to catch them. Pretty easy to catch, and they're fun if you haven't caught one before. Scoot over a little bit, y'all. We'll try throwing it actually into the current. So all my new fishermen, y'all cannot catch a fish without having your line in the water. Wise man told me that. The tide is extremely high today. We got overcast conditions, so it should be a good day to catch them. Everybody was saying that it was killing them earlier. How? Look. I haven't figured them out yet, y'all. Once we catch one, I promise you we'll start catching some.
I like this double rig.
Oh, me too.
Huh?
So, oh yeah, I like it too.
Good.
So you catch that double fish.
I'm gonna lose the first cast. Watch this shit.
Make sure you let it sink.
Oh,
Give it to me.
Got one. First okay, well.
I told you, bro. You were right.
All right, y'all. So we might have to switch over to some shad darts.
I gotta switch over.
The spoon ain't working. Yeah. Oh, right there. That wasn't even me. That's not me. Okay, y'all. So, bro, what? Why is there fishing right next to me? Bro, what? YouTube?
I'm telling you, you don't want to. You're on the right rhythm. You pop faster. Yeah. Like aggressive pops.
Yep.
There you go. There you go.
There we go, y'all.
Yes,
Figured them out.
sir.
That's a nice one, y'all. Just moving it faster. Rhythm. All right, y'all. So we got the first one. Get on the bank. Ah, it's a nice one, y'all. First one today. So I didn't know this, but some of them are mixed. So we got herring and we got hickory shad. I didn't know that. The bigger ones are definitely the hickory shad, and they got black fins on them. Still can't keep them, but this is definitely a hickory shad. Hold on, y'all. Y'all see the black fin? And it has a sharp face. It's not a herring, it's a hickory shad. Not bad. Gotta throw it back, yeah. There it goes.
But you kind of gotta, no homo, you kind of gotta give it to him a little bit. Like, oh, she was, oh, what the? You got two? You snagged
No,
it?
it's something coming out of this belt.
Oh, that's the road.
No, it's something. It's like a remora.
Get it.
Oh, it came off. Bruh, it was like a
Remora?
A remora, yeah, but I don't think it was a remora.
I seen it.
Yeah, it was like a parasite or something.
It's probably a leech.
Yeah, but it was like fat, like a slug on my.
Yeah, it's a leech. I'm scared. I've had them on me before. Nice one, Elias. Y'all, he's hooked up again. Everybody around me's hooked up. He got a big one too. They both got nice ones. Oh, wait, there's Elias, you got two.
I got double.
Oh, it came off.
Fuck,
I think one of them came off. One of them came off.
They're only here for a little bit.
This is getting on my nerves, bro. I've never been outfished this bad before. It does not feel good. I'm gonna try it with his rod, y'all. See if we get anything. Whoa.
All right, wait. Slow down. You see it? You seen it?
Y'all seen that on camera. He was right here.
Right.
I think a fish, the fish that I lost on it.
Oh, my bad. Y'all seen that? I figured out how to do it, y'all. So his rod is a little bit more sensitive than mine. So when I do pop it, it gives it more of a jerk, and I feel like that's why they're biting compared to on my rod. It's 2 casts, we've seen 2 fish, so we're gonna try it out there again. This third one time, we should get one. It might just be the rod, y'all. I don't think it's the fish. Oh, we had a bite. Oh yeah, we hooked up, y'all. Hooked up with a fish. Oh, it came off. Oh, I got him now. So, third cast, third fish, and then we got this nitwit here that can't fish, getting us hung up. It's okay though, it's not bad. Should cut that jump.
If I catch one.
Shoot. Yep, there we go, y'all. Hooked up. There we go, y'all. This is a herring. This is not an American shad. Just like I said though, you catch it, catch them, and they're going right back in the water. They're not being harmed. There that fish goes. Going the wrong way. Oh, there you go. Go. Fast, fast, fast. Slow it down. Oh, there we go, y'all. We both hooked up. We got double. You got one on mine, I got one on his. This one's a nice one. I think it's an American shad. Got a nice jump. These fish are fun to catch. I have not caught them before. Look at it. This thing is so fast. These things do originally come from the ocean, so they're only here right now for a select time. You can kind of tell from my saltwater people. You can see that this fish does have a fork tail. His fish right there. Go right back in that current. Yep, hooked up, y'all. Doubled up. As soon as I switched it over, y'all, and he hit the one I just told y'all.
Yes, sir,
it's a nice one too.
Evan.
Oh, it just came off. Told y'all, as soon as we switched it over, that was a nice one. Oh, I told y'all, these fish got paper mouths, so it will rip if you tighten it too tight. He's hooked up with a nice one. He's hooked up too. I'm still figuring them out, y'all. They've been here for a couple hours. There we go. We hooked up. We tripled up. We tripled up, y'all. Tripled up. They both lost theirs. They both lost theirs. Got a herring, y'all. This is not an American shad. Once again. Taking it. Unhook it. Going right back in the water. He got another one, y'all. We're all killed. Yep, hooked up. It's a nice one, y'all. Step back. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
Told y'all. This one's probably not gonna come off because the drag's a little loose.
Oh, right here.
He bit the top one. This is, y'all, this is an American shad. This is not a herring. I'm gonna show y'all the difference in a second too. Just like that. Gonna unhook it. Ow. These American shad, they don't have teeth just like the herring. For all my saltwater people, they do have fork tails. They come from the ocean. This is similar to a fork tail. They're up here spawning, and you see the stuff that he put on my hands now. Crazy. But the way you could tell that these are American shad is because of the black fins. He got hooked up, raw tripled again. But yeah, they got black fins. Here it goes, y'all. There it goes, gone. I told y'all we done figured them out now. Sir, a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh yeah, American shad. Oh, just had seen a nice one. Tyler, I think it was that. If he was right there, I just seen a flash. Look, there, right there. Oh, nope, I missed it. Oh, just had one. Oh,
Oh, yes,
you seen it? Yeah. They might just be scared. I might just move it a little too fast, y'all. Almost every cast we missing them. Oh, there we go. Missed it again, y'all. Twice.
You seen him?
Oh, missed it again. Whose fish is that?
Oh wait.
That's my fish. That's my
Oh,
fish,
I got
y'all.
one. No, I don't. Do I?
Oh, 3 of us
Yes,
got
I
it.
do. I got one.
Oh, we all. I caught the fish,
Make sure
y'all.
it's in the.
Y'all see the. Y'all see it in his mouth. So what we gonna do? So you can untake. You can take it out.
Oh, it's almost out.
Oh, lost it, y'all. Came off. Oh.
Oh, bro, like 3 of them.
Oh, there we go. Hooked up, y'all. All time. Take a little pause. Slow it down a little bit. Got one. Oh. Get the green one. American Shad, y'all. Seems like all I'm catching is American Shad. I think it's good.
Oh, this is a herring.
Me too.
It's literally blue on the top and it's small.
It's way smaller. Yeah. Way smaller body profile.
Yeah. And I see what he's talking about the lip.
There we go, y'all. That's a herring, I think.
No, that's not. For sure.
Oh no, that's American Shad, y'all. Nice one.
I mean, hickory.
Sorry. These are all hickory shad, y'all. I've been telling y'all the wrong word the whole time. I've been saying American Shad. It is hickory shad. My apologies, y'all. I know y'all gonna roast me in the comments.
They just swiping and swiping and swiping.
I think I figured them out. Yeah. It's exactly what Elias said. You gotta make. Oh, I got double. I got double, y'all. Oh, it came off.
You got a what?
I got a double, but the other one came off. Oh, that one came off too, y'all. Didn't. Yep, there we go, y'all. What a nice one. Yep, as soon as that head touched the water, he took off. Yep, came off. Oh. There we go, y'all. I think this is just a nice one. Oh, yep, came off, y'all.
Got him!
Why, you think it's getting dark?
Oh, dang. It's a big one. Yes, T? Yes, T? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice one, too. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, my GoPro got that. Y'all seen it? Came all the way up to the almost top water bite. Sheesh. Y'all seen that? Okay, we lit, y'all. We lit. Oh, y'all missed it again. I know y'all seen it. Oh, we did it again. Real quick, get their attention. Slow it down. Oh, I missed one. Yep, got it. Just like that, y'all. Y'all see it. That's a nice one, too. Let him pull some drag. It's a nice one. You gonna fight it a little bit? Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, this fight is over, y'all. It's a nice one. There we go. Another nice one. Nice big one, y'all. It's pregnant too, y'all see it? Throw it back. Going the wrong way. Yep, you turned around. There it goes, y'all. Oh, just missed one. Oh, missed it again, y'all. You missed it again. We'll try it again, y'all. Throw it out there. Y'all keep seeing them. Throw it out there. Move fast to get the attention. Slow it down a little bit. Yep. Oh, missed it. My bad, Elias. Oh, got it, y'all. Yeah, this is a nice one. Dang, that was fast, y'all. It's quick little jumps like this. Yep. Oh, dang. Well, it's like,
I feel like that's what this spot is.
dang, the mosquito's getting me. Oh, I gotta get deeper in the water. I'll catch one first. Oh,
Hit right there.
as soon as I said that, yeah, that's what I just said.
Did you really?
Yeah. Right here. I seen that. We was literally about to just wind it up. Oh, he swallowed this one, y'all. There it goes. Come right back into that current. There it goes. Oh.